Hello friends, welcome to all. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon. In this video I am going to show you about causes of forgetfulness. In our routine life we are facing many kinds of problems due to forget of many kinds of minor and major things which is very important for us. Here is some causes which is explain what are the reason for forgetfulness. So first one is depression. Due to severe kind of depression, we have seen many kinds of symptoms directly and indirectly in our personality that we are not able to remember the things. The next thing is alcohol. If we are using excessive amount of alcohol, and alcohol is the part of our life, we are diverting in different kind of direction, and that will be leading cause of brain impairment. Functioning of brain is poor and our concentration power is dull, so the things of remember is totally less, and we are not able to remember any kind of incident of our life, and sometimes we live in a dream world. The next thing is medicines. Routine life we have seen we are using medicine in a limited amount, but many times we are addict of the medicine, and number of medicines we are using different type of ways. This kind of medicines using are creating a negative impact on our mind, and our activities and functioning is totally dull, and we are not so able active and fast. That will be leading cause of forgetfulness. The next thing is sleeping pattern. Yes, it is very important phenomena that sleeping is very important part, and my different videos I have already tell you that sleeping is very essential, but we are not able to maintaining a better kind of sleeping pattern, and due to poor sleeping our concentration, our working, and our part of remember the things is totally missing, so that is also cause of forgetfulness. Next and last point is severe kind of anxiety. We are not able to control our anxiety level in our life, and due to this type of factors we are facing many types of issue in our life, and not able to maintaining the different type of controlling situation of remember the things and demands of the life. So many times this is happen that we are forget some important incident of the life. So friends, hope you will be satisfied with my discussion. Thanks for listening and subscribe my channel.